Whether you need to evaluate the strength of an expert witness, craft an argument to persuade a judge, uncover a company's opportunities and risks, or determine what court venue to file in, Context will give you the immediate insights you need. Context is accessible from the product grid or Rubik's Cube up here at the top left of Lexis Plus. Simply click Context. Once there, you'll see that you can search for experts, judges, courts, attorneys, or companies. Context for courts allows litigators to anticipate how a court will rule to determine where to file a case or whether a change of venue would ensure the better success for their client. Context for experts can expose expert witness weaknesses before hiring or cross-examining. Context searches the vast collection of case law and expert witness documents, including 45% more deposition and trial transcripts and 70% more state and federal jury verdicts and settlements than our closest competitor. With Context, you can know the experts better than they know themselves. You can also find how often the expert's testimony was excluded and why, such as methodology, relevance, and more. It's all presented in one easy-to-read chart. You can link to the judge's specific reasoning and the precise language that he or she used to weigh the Daubert challenge. Language in cases you need to prepare, the words that can persuade your judge to admit your expert's testimony or impeach your opposition's expert. With judges, determine the best way to present your case quickly, thoroughly, and simply with just one search. By accessing hard-to-find data and dynamic graphical insights, you can quickly evaluate a judge's ruling tendencies, experience, and background. Know the specific language in cases your judge relies on by looking at citation patterns, and use that intel to craft the most compelling argument. You can also use motion language to forecast how you would prevail by knowing the grant and denial rates in 100 motion types for your judge in one easy-to-read graph. The opinions most cited by your judge, including his or her own, as well as the fellow jurists that your judge cites to most often. These allow you to be confident that your judge is comfortable with the theories that you will espouse. Context for companies allows you to understand the current landscape your clients are facing, gain competitive insights, or formulate a litigation settlement strategy. This is the only legal solution to bring litigation, financial, and news information together in one place, allowing you to profile with greater confidence. Each company profile provides the high-level overview information you would expect, such as address, company size, contact information, and more, but you will also find many context exclusives like valuable litigation and news trends affecting the company and how they have impacted the company financially. You can find competitive insights by knowing the company that you're litigating against, or better serve your clients by providing timely and informed counsel and stay current on the challenges that your companies are facing. News storylines allow you to quickly see what is impacting your company on a regular and recent basis. In Context, Attorney Analytics allows you to find comprehensive coverage of an attorney's previous casework to anticipate how they may argue their case based on arguments they've made in the past. Context Attorney pulls analytical insights on over 1 million attorneys. You can find everything that opposing counsel has worked on without requiring a switch between multiple products or running multiple searches. Analyze the language of an attorney's argument and connect it to other related arguments. Context allows you to be prepared in a myriad of ways by using its one-of-a-kind language analytics. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to your Lexis team at any time, and we'll see you soon.